so nice, doesn't it?
Good girl.
Oh, he loves you, Gionni.
Hello.
Keep
How
talking
do
to
you
him.
do? I do good. He said, I don't know.
I know. He wants you to rub him some more. Was that a good rubbing?
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, Gionni wants to eat his chili. No, you can't eat his chili. Oh no, Gionni, stop him.
How can I stop it?
No.
No. Put a book in front of him. That's what I do.
How's Gionni supposed to eat? Oh, he's looking for any crumbs he might be able to get. Goodness sake. I know. Oh, it's okay. It's okay. Sometimes he does that if you go past his head or his neck. That's all. Okay.
I want the bird to leave.
Okay. You overstayed your welcome, precious. Time to go. Yep, let's go.